The benefit of cooking with children goes beyond the act of preparing food. Studies highlight how cooking together can help children develop openness to diverse food, a sense of independence, and can enrich the parent-child relationship. However, challenges such as parents' concerns from the messy process and children's lack of engagement often hinder the motivation to cook together. We wanted to explore the possibility of a TUI that can enhance the dyadic experience and a sense of collaboration between parents and children while answering the needs of both in this context. We present Kitchef, a TUI designed as a cooking recipe smart box and a pair of wristbands, one for the child and one for the parent. The box is designed to showcase one recipe at a time. Each recipe has 4 main steps, marked clearly with a hello circle and text instructions. When positioned on the box, the hello circles aligned with a series of LED lights embedded vertically in the box. After choosing a recipe and placing it onto the box, the parent and the child wear the wristbands. Once paired for the first time, a white LED light on the box highlights the first step on the recipe. The parent or the child reads the instructions out loud and they begin to cook. Once they decide that a step is completed, they pair their wristbands and a signal is sent to the box via Bluetooth. The feedback of the completion of each step is felt both in the wristbands as a magnetized feel and also shown on the recipe box, where the current white LED light changes to green and an additional white LED light appears in the next haloed circle, indicating the next step. When all steps are completed and the parent and child pair their wristbands for the last time, the box lights up in a cascade of colorful lights celebrating the end of the cooking experience. Our preliminary study with 5 families revealed that the design of the TUI and the interaction was successful in several ways. First, the TUI allowed for a more structured process. The visibility of the steps made the cooking process more transparent, allowing children to be more oriented towards the process, while at the same time giving parents a sense of control over the process. Secondly, attaching the wristbands at the end of each step was a gesture both parents and children enjoyed. The interaction enhanced playfulness and engagement in the cooking. And thirdly, the TUI fostered a sense of collaboration and togetherness. The dynamic was of teamwork nature, where tasks were divided in a flexible manner and at the same time children had fun and felt equally responsible and empowered. The togetherness was observed both in the physical closeness and in the semantic used while cooking together. Our results suggest the great potential of leveraging TUI for a parent-child cooking together in the kitchen.